We have all probably seen videos of people making crazy money with dropshipping. I have tried many different business models on this channel already, but I was wondering, can I be successful with dropshipping like all these gurus say? So I thought, let's try it out, and that's why I'm making this challenge. So let's get right into this. Alright, so the first step on my dropshipping journey was for me to find a product. So I first of all went on AliExpress and just searched for a little bit. Then I also used a method, which is the TikTok made me buy it method, where I basically just made a new TikTok account and searched for these viral products, and then my whole homepage was full of these products and tried to find one that way. So I searched for a bit and then I came across this LED lamp, and it was something I thought that could actually work since you can write something on it, and I already had a real marketing angle planned out so that I was maybe gonna write something really funny or controversial onto that path and then go viral that way. So I found the exact product on AliExpress, saved that link, and instead of buying it from there, I went onto Amazon and shipped it to my house directly, so it was faster shipping. And the next day or so, I got the package in the mail and I brought it to my room. Enjoy this little opening montage. And guys, I really thought I had gotten a bad product because I just couldn't figure out how to open it, but after a half an hour or so, I finally opened it. Then I was on to the next part, which was the website creation. So I went onto Shopify, got the 3 months for $1 trial, and began working on the website. So I used the DOM theme and then basically just added some photos I took of the product, and I also added some text that I mainly got of ChatGPT since it was really good. I also implemented some little hacks. For example, I heard that using 3 colors is the best since then the website doesn't look scammy. So I used the colors black, white and blue. And the last thing I did was add some reviews for my store from an app called Ali Reviews, which basically just imports the reviews from AliExpress to your own store, and it was completely free, so I would definitely recommend that. And then my store was pretty much finished. And here you can see the store. It's pretty simple, but I would say for my first store this is actually great. Then I quickly just purchased a domain and connected it to my store. And now we were off to create the TikTok ad creatives. And before I get into this part, please don't be offended by any of this since I had to write some stuff on there. So I began with writing down a whole lot of ideas I had, and yeah, then went into filming. First of all, I got my blanket and laid it out on the floor since I've seen this setup used in other viral TikTok videos with this product, and then I just put my LED pad on it and began filming. So I just wrote these sentences on it, and yeah, then I was pretty much finished with filming. After that, I just imported the videos into CapCut, cut it up a bit, added some text and then also some AI voice, and then I was pretty much finished with the TikTok videos, and I did like 10 of them. Then I simply got my friend Lucas to create a TikTok account for me because I don't know why, but whenever I create a TikTok account, I get 0 views. I'm completely shadow banned. I guess I did some sketchy stuff back in 2020, but yeah, I don't know. And then I also remodeled an old Instagram page I had so we could market the product on there. And once we had created the accounts, we were ready to upload the first video, and we did. And once we created the account, we uploaded the first video on both platforms. And when I woke up the next morning, the views were going crazy. No, I wish I could say that, but I kind of saw our marketing strategy struggling since already the first video we posted got a community guideline strike on TikTok. So it wasn't looking good. And I'm gonna be completely honest, it was really controversial, so I kind of get it. But we wouldn't let us stop us, and we uploaded the next 2 videos that same day and hoped for the best. The next morning, both of the videos were sitting at around 650 views both, which wasn't really bad, but I had hope for more than that. But then I uploaded the next video, and I for sure thought that this was going to go viral since it was a video you had to rewatch a couple of times to understand, and I kind of thought that that would trigger the algorithm. And it was looking really good. On the first day it got 2,000 views, but then it completely died off. So I don't know what happened there, but it was kind of disappointing. And also Instagram wasn't looking good at all. We got like 10 to 20 views per video, so I just completely stopped posting there since I didn't see no reason why we should keep on posting there. But we of course kept on posting on TikTok for the next couple of days, and I guess now it's time for the big reveal. And let's see how much money we made. So here's the Shopify dashboard, and as you guys can see, we make one sale. But I have to be honest, this sale came from me since I was checking the checkout system and seeing that everything worked. So we technically made zero money in this challenge whatsoever. Now, does that mean dropshipping is dead? Absolutely not, because there's lots of people making good money with it. And I have a challenge actually in the works right now, which is with paid ads, which is doing way better than this challenge. So I honestly just think it takes some time to really grow in this field, since I've also tried YouTube automation and it worked out great for me, and I'm still doing that. So I think I can do the same with dropshipping. So I'm excited for the next months, and if you don't want to miss anything and also the next dropshipping video, definitely make sure to subscribe and also leave me a like if you like this video. See ya!